Hi guys, it's your girl Patience Ekle Ogochukwu. How you doing? I'm sure you're doing great because I'm doing exceptionally well. Okay, today I'm going to show you the practical step by step on ways to make money online. Okay, so follow me, let's go. Ways of making money online. Alright, we have different ways that you can make money online, but I'm going to mention just very few and tell you how you can use them to make money online. Okay, the number one is website. That's number one. We have number two, affiliate marketing. Number three, we have cryptocurrency. Number four, we have content creation. Number five, we have graphic design. Alright, etc. etc. Okay, these are just very few ways that you can make money online. I have just listed five among the several ways you can make money online, the legit way. Okay, there are other ones, but we'll just use this for the purpose of this video. So this first one here is website. Alright, your website is your centerpiece. Okay, you can use your website to make money either by selling things on your website, physical products or digital products, or you can make money using your website by doing advertising for other people once you have good traffic on that website, because traffic is the lifeblood of every website. That is what shows the asset your website is what is the number of traffic that you have on that site. And don't forget, traffic simply means people. Okay, like for instance, Facebook is a website. A lot of people will tell you that you are doing business online, you don't need a website. I don't buy that. In as much as you can do some little things here and there on social media platforms and make some small money there without a website, that is not the real business. Once you want to go deep into making money online, my dear, you need a website, a good one. Are you hearing me? Because it's the website that will give you 100% control of whatever is happening there. Are you getting me now? Like for instance, Facebook is a website, Telegram is a website, WhatsApp is a website, Twitter is a website, LinkedIn. All these are big size websites where other people can have their mini sites under, like your account, your profile, my business page, your business page. All these things are part of a website. Are you getting me? So because the Facebook is not owned by you or me, we do not have 100% control of it. But if you have a personal brand website, you will have 100% control of the content that you post there, the quality of the content, the type of people you want to come to your website, and a whole lot of other stuff that will be happening there. So there are ways that you can make money using the website, either by even building. When you learn a website as a skill, you can build website for other business owners, and then you make money from it. Just like me, I'm a web designer, I build website for other brands. I have my own website where I make money from. Are you getting me? I have a blog session where I blog there, talk about a whole lot of things. Are you getting me now? That's that. If you want to learn more about how to build website, you can just call me. I'm just a call away, or send me a DM and we'll discuss that. Okay, and in few weeks you will be a web designer. I assure you that. Alright, the next one is affiliate marketing. In fact, since early this year, 2022, but the shouting affiliate marketing up and down. Well, you are just hearing affiliate marketing and you begin to access it. What is this affiliate marketing that everybody is shouting about? My dear, it's nothing that serious. Affiliate marketing is simply you getting paid a commission for selling other people's products. It's as simple as that. Just the way, maybe for instance, in a physical shop, you got something from a particular supermarket and you like that supermarket, and you are telling your neighbor who needs the thing that I go to so supermarket, whatever they have there is okay. You are referring somebody to that place to go and get it. You are simply giving such people customers without being paid for it. But in affiliate marketing, whoever you refer to get a product from a particular company online, you will be paid a commission for doing that. It's not free of charge. Affiliate marketing is another whole topic of its own, and I already have a course that I've been promoting for some months now. I've given out so many copies of these courses to as many people as possible, and they are making good money with it. So if you want to be among those that are doing affiliate marketing, the course for now, course is going for 10,000 naira and it's going to be increased to 20,000 naira any moment. So if you want the affiliate marketing course, you can as well call me and you'll get it. So the next one is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is the future of money, whether you like it or not. Forget about the movement in the market now. There's always going to be movement in the market, up and down. Are you hearing me? So now cryptocurrency is digital money. That's what it simply means. And you can also learn cryptocurrency and know how to trade in cryptocurrency, how to buy some coins in smaller amounts. There are different platforms, okay, like Binance, like Trust Wallet, Remitano, we have Coinbase, so many platforms that are into cryptocurrency, P2P, peer-to-peer, or into cryptocurrency trading and investments. So you can create your account and get your wallet through any of these platforms that I have mentioned, and then you learn how to trade. There are some platforms like Quidders, their own prices are sometimes higher there. You can buy cheaper from Remitano and you sell higher in Quidders. You buy some coins in smaller amount, like buying a coin for $1, and then after some time, maybe 3 months or 6 months or 1 year or in few years time, that coin you bought for $1 just some months ago, a year ago, is now selling for $100, and the quantity you have, once you sell it, multiply by $99 as profit per coin, you'll be in good money. The actual truth is that cryptocurrency has actually made some people millionaires. So, but you must be very careful because you need to trade with caution. Okay, there is a whole lot of risk involved if you do not learn how the market works before you dive into it. You might dive into it and dive out. So don't do that. Remember, you are also talking to the cryptocurrency experts. No other person but Patience Ekle Ugochukwu. You can always call me if you want to learn cryptocurrency as a skill as well. Alright, so now we are done with website, we are done with affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, and we have content creation. A lot of you today, especially on Facebook, you are there generating content free of charge and you are not getting any money for it. Do you know that you can actually sell those content and make money? We have authors there that don't know how to write, they have ideas. They can actually pay you for you to generate content for them. There are platforms that you can go if you're a good writer. There are platforms that you can generate content for clients who comes there, and then you get paid for it. Are you getting me? In the number of words, like 500 words, 1,000 words, 5,000 words, depending on the volume. There are people in copywriting that write books and sell for someone. Like today, because of the internet, if you want to be an author, you don't necessarily need to sit down and write to be an author. You can actually buy a book and add your own and change whatever it is, and you become an author just overnight. Are you getting me? So there's a whole lot, okay? Content creation is what a lot of people are using to get money right now, and I have a book on it. If you want to learn that a skill, you just call me or send me a DM. Okay, all right, then we have graphic design. All the beautiful graphic design you see here and there, you see beautiful banners, beautiful promotion materials, you see logos, mascot and here and there. They are being designed by people like you and me. Let me tell you a lot of things that people don't know. When you see my graphic designs, like just Peco Africa t-shirt, as you can see, the logo and everything was designed by me. Imagine that someone else designed it for me. I will pay the person massively to get what I want and what I'm using today. So now, you can learn it as a skill, and I have a course that can teach you web design, affiliate marketing, graphic design using your mobile phone and a laptop. Especially if you know how to read and write, your content creation. In fact, once you add all of these things, you're already making a big business for yourself in the nearest future. Give yourself 6 months to 1 year and you become guru. You'll be surprised and shocked at the level of knowledge and the things that you'll be able to do by yourself. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to stop this video here and now because I wouldn't want it to be more lengthier than this. And don't forget that your girl Patience Ekle Ogochukwu is right here with you. If you need to have a professional training about everything that we have discussed here concerning affiliate marketing, website design, graphic design, content creation, cryptocurrency, is something that I can teach you one-on-one, no matter where you are. Are you getting me? So you don't need to bother yourself. We'll have one-on-one training and you practicalize exactly what you're being taught. The good part is that I will give you a platform that you'll be making some little money while you are learning, and by the time you are done learning, you'll just be shouting my name everywhere. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to check us on our website www.pecoafrica.com, and don't forget to call us for all your website designs, for all your trainings, and for all your digital works. We are just a call away, and the number again is 09034296519. And from here, we'll be back.